Natural Utopia is a private home interiors in Pune for our beloved clients, Dr. Shirsagar's.
Hello, myself Dr. Shirsagar. I am orthopedic surgeon.
And I am Dr. Mrs. Jyoti Shirsagar, an Ayurvedic consultant.
The whole space takes you closer to the peace and nature with its soothing, calm and very subtle design.
And even after accommodating our lots of storage requirements.
Hello, this is Anuja.
Hi, this is Yash.
We are principal architects at One Habitat Studio. We are an architectural and interior design studio based in Pune. This was our very first project wherein our clients gave us complete freedom in designing, execution and experimenting with new materials.
This actually gave us an opportunity to design and customize every element of the house, and that's how everything is nestled into the space as if it was always meant to be there.
When we first met our architects, they are very young and enthusiastic, with full of energy and waiting for a right opportunity to show their skills. Their presence made us confident enough to hand over the big project.
Bringing in as much natural life, light and air through various mediums inside the house and making it seamless to harmonize the outdoors and indoors was the foremost approach to the design.
Welcome to the sky-high apartment, resting quietly in its zen mode atop, our most idealistic, natural and an epitome of modern chic and pastel. The foyer is the finest space and is composed with storages and seating unit, adorned with beautiful custom-made artwork and lights. The combination of pastel colors and veneer and added natural plants arising from the furniture units perfectly blends and creates a mesmerizing natural and generous context to welcome by. The foyer then opens up into a larger volume of living and dining spaces.
The living space has a custom-made swing which relates to the seating arrangement of the sofa. The dining space has a tailor-made wooden chairs, and dining table has a Satvaria quartz top which accentuates the sense of feeling naturalist. The crockery unit, forming open and closed see-through surfaces, perfectly composes the wall with a circular artwork. Adding to the beauty of the space is the puja unit, which is a pleasing amalgamation of contemporary and traditional art.
A hallway designed with natural hanging plants takes you to the centered lobby of 3 rooms. The kids' room is exceptionally designed for the 2 girls. It has transformed the space into the world of peaches with its colors and textures. The triangular forms all over the units excite and bring energy to the space.
We feel so fresh and exciting in our room, especially when the friends come over. The colors of the room are very beautiful and sweet.
The triangle shape in our study table is so cute. We love the light behind our bed. It makes us feel so cozy.
The parents' room, which is designed precisely for the elderly ones. The subtle art of adding traditional to contemporary makes the space peaceful and calm. It's completely meditative here when the morning sunlight falls in and the natural materials within shine back.
You know, it's the green ombre wall, the custom-made wallpapers and furniture finishes, the stained green wood to the bed, and the ultra-modern advancement in forms, colors and textures. You are in the master bedroom, which has magnified the space, which pleases to the eyes and the soul. Customization of each and every element on the site, right from the furniture units to furnishings to lights to all types of loose furnitures and decors, makes everything seamlessly blended into each other and none out of the context. All conceal and external handles made on the site, experimenting with the wood to stain to the right color, to the green ombre wall paint, to making samples of every furniture paints. The process has made the house to attain a sense of belongingness and can be relatable to the user as well. The plants inside and outside are chosen very wisely that not only purify the air and add life but also creates a natural botanical experience.
The guest room is equally soothing and follows the language of the house in terms of materials, colors and textures. No wonder the pastels and subtle art of adding the exact proportions all together creates this soothing and natural environment. We believe that a natural environment is the most suitable space for any living species to exist, and that's where we created a place to live where nature, human and time connects, calling it as One Habitat.